use may and might to express possibility. For example, I may watch a movie tonight. It might rain later, so take an umbrella. When expressing possibility, might often implies a smaller chance of something happening. For example, when we say it may rain, there is 70% of chance to rain. But when we say it might rain, there is just 40% of chance. We only use may for giving permission or asking for it. For example, you may open the window if you want. May I have some water, please? We also only use may to express wishes. For example, may the new year bring you happiness. And may not can be used to not give permission. For example, you may not take photos inside the museum. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.